Adding a gift. In addition to storing information about your constituents, DonorPerfect helps you to keep track of your donors' gifts. Recording a gift in the system is a simple process, especially if a constituent already exists in your database. First, go to the search screen and look up the donor. Click the Add Gift icon on the results grid next to the donor's name to go to the gift entry screen. The gift entry screen includes numerous sections that allow you to track extensive details about a gift. But for now, our focus is to enter basic gift information in the gift details section. First, enter the date of the gift. Whether you use date of the check or the date received is up to your organization. Next, indicate whether the gift was made by check, credit card, or another method in the type of gift field. Then, enter the amount of the gift. If the gift is a check, then the check number goes in the reference/check number field. The next few fields are all used to assign codes to the gift for tracking and reporting. The general ledger field designates how the donated funds are to be used by your organization, such as for your building fund or annual fund. Choose one. If the gift is received as part of a campaign, multiple mailings or events that are related to a single purpose, such as an annual operations, record the code in the campaign field. Solicitations are the mailings, events, or other fundraising activities that bring gifts to your organization, such as an annual spring mailing, a yearly banquet, or a grant proposal. Adding a solicitation code to a gift allows you to track the success of very specific fundraising activities. Sub-solicitations are separate fundraising activities within an event, such as sponsorships, auction items purchased, or ticket sales. It is important to thank donors for their gifts, but the same acknowledgement is not always suitable for every gift. The thank you number field lets you assign a code that will help you to know what letter or email template to use when you acknowledge the gift. Associated address, the address where the thank you letter will be sent, shows the primary address of the donor automatically, but it can be changed when necessary. Finally, if you have extra details about a gift that you would like to include, you can type them into the gift memo field. Always remember to save your information before leaving this page. The gift becomes part of the donor's history only when you save.